Yeah, so I want to quickly show you this AI automation that would really help you in doing bulk personalization of your leads. Yeah, so if you've not seen this platform before, this is make.com. I popularly call it like the glue of automation. Yeah, so take for instance, you go to Apollo and you scrape some leads. For example, you want to get out some leads. You want to automate the process of personalizing the emails or the outreach you'll be doing to these particular people. So you would use a service like make.com, which is very cheap. And let me just I'll quickly explain this workflow. Then I would also show you the how the results will look like. So let me first show you how the result looks like. So for the first person, the name of the company he works for is Seed Tag. You can see the personalization. Hey Thomas, congrats on your impressive launch of United CTV campaign. Happy to see that Seed Tag looks a bit different from all generic or gimmick IT companies out there. Imagine you are planning to use outbound to gain significant early or high ROI traction. If so, you should check out GrowthAIC, my company. We built a system that lets one smart growth person send personalized outbound at the scale of 50 SDRs. It's actually more. I would love to show you how it works. Would it be worth 15 minutes of your time this week? Benson sent from iPhone. So this is the copy that actually works very well when you're sending a cold outreach, right? But you can see we are going to be doing this at scale. This the second one. So this first line is the personalization I used. Now, how did I get this personalization? I got the personalization from their website. So I had AI go to their website, get the get some information from their website and use it to personalize the mail. So when they read through your mail, they see that wow, this person has done some research on our company. I would love to see what they have to offer, right? So let me just quickly show you um, how the system works. So the first thing is Apify. To be able to scrape Apollo leads, we need Apollo is getting data from LinkedIn, right? That's getting leads from LinkedIn. We need this Apollo scraper. Now, this platform is called Apify. Apify is a platform that has multiple it has different types of scrapers from Instagram scraper, LinkedIn, Twitter scrapers. Almost any scraper you're thinking of, you would find it on Apify. So we use this scraper to get the data from Apollo. So when you're done doing your search, maybe I would like now I wanted to like get CEOs, VPs, and owners and founders from marketing agencies. That's the industry I was targeting here. When you're done, you copy this URL, you come to the Apollo scraper on Apify, and you input it here. You can see the charge is just $1 20 for 1,000 leads, which is very, very cheap. So this Apollo scraper comes with emails, but one thing we would need to do is still to verify those emails. So to verify those emails, we would use the service of mails.so. You can use Million Verifier, and there are many other email verification services out there that are quite cheap. So we go from Apify, we use the get data set item. So from Apify, I already ran this actor. Apify, these scrapers are called actors. So I already ran this actor and I got 926. I just extracted 926 leads, right? You can see their emails and different LinkedIn data. Yeah, their headline, the company name, company title, organization founded year, organization name. So you get all those good data from Apollo. Then we automate the process of personalizing the leads. So we do Apify first to get the data, get the clean data. Then we use email validation, which is mails.so. Oh, I showed my API key. I'm going to rotate it so it wouldn't be useful after this video. Also, if you want this blueprint, you can just comment make in the comment section and I'll DM you the blueprint for free. So we have let me run this scraper first for you to understand what it does. Limit of, let's say, 5, and I want to run set of 3. So run once. So we get to see we are saving the data to Google Sheets, right? On a normal day, you might want to save it to your instantly campaign directly, so you can just send out your mails. Yeah, so the new data should start coming in. Yeah, so this is the next one we just did. Hey Jill, congrats on landing major tech partnerships. Happy to see Avidity looks a bit different from all generic or blah blah IT companies out there. So it's going to fill up this Google Sheets with leads, right? I'm going to explain while it runs. Let me explain it. So email validation. So it's going to send a request to mails.so, and if the mails are valid, as if the result is deliverable, we pass it on, right? We can see for this, it was only about 2 mails that were valid, right? So it only passed on 2 mails. And this is, we are scraping the organization website to get the data we are going to use for the personalization. So after getting the organization website, we pass, now these are 2 different routes here, right? The first route is if the website status code is 200, which means the request we sent to the website was good, the website is up and running and we could get the data. The second route is if we encounter an error. You can see here we actually encountered an error for one of the websites. Yeah, that is why we use this resume error handler. So this resume error handler makes sure that for any website that isn't working, maybe the website is currently down, it doesn't break our entire flow. It just moves on to the next on the list. So now for this, we have to clean the company name because there are some companies that might have maybe GrowthAIC Ltd, and we want to remove the Ltd and just call it GrowthAIC, because when you're sending an email to a CEO or a founder, you don't want it to make it look like you automated it, right? You want to make it look like you actually sat down to write the emails. So you want to clean the company name. All this, you can easily get all these prompts from me once you ask for the just comments make in the comment section, and I'll send this entire blueprint to you for free. So this is to get the wins after extracting the data from the website. We want to use Claude, that's Anthropic Claude, to get the wins from the website, right? So getting the wins from the website, we tell Claude extract recent wins, case studies, or fundraising, or any acquisition or tech growth milestone from this website script data. So we give it the data from the website. Output the results only in 2 lines max. Use a Spartan tone, casual with no frilly language, right? So I also added the system prompt. You are helpful writing assistant. Only output 15 words max, just to limit the amount of words it outputs. That's why when you look at the wins, the first line is actually the wins. We are congratulating them for the wins, right? That's what makes up our personalization. So from the wins, I pass it on to the email personalization. So Claude is very great for writing emails, way better than ChatGPT in writing emails. ChatGPT is better for like some other things, but Claude is very good at writing things like emails, right, and sounding more human. That's why we use Claude for this. So you can see, I just told Claude to use these templates to write the email, right? All this you can just get it for free. Just comment make in the comment section. I'll send everything to you for free. So that was the explanation of the first route. So we are saving it to a Google Sheet. From this Google Sheets, maybe you have like 100, 200, or 500 leads in total. You could just download it into CSV and send it to you instantly for your cold email campaign. Or you could use it for some other things like maybe generating videos, personalized videos to your leads, so they feel like you've actually gone through their website, you've done your research before reaching out to them. So yeah, the second route is for when the website errors out. So that means in the email personalization, we don't have we wouldn't have the wins from the website since we were unable to access their website, right? So we are just using the templates without any data from the without any wins data. So I think that's the total system. So just comment make in the comment section and I'll send this blueprint to you for free. Yeah.